Toronto can be loud, crowded, and fast. But hidden not far from the city's heart, there's a place where everything slows down. Water, trees, silence. Welcome to G. Ross Lord Park. We're starting in the heart of Toronto, at the iconic CN Tower, and heading north toward G. Ross Lord Park, located at 4801 Dufferin Street in North York. Surrounded by trails, open green spaces, and the G. Ross Lord Reservoir, this park offers a surprisingly peaceful escape from the city. And there's more to this lake than you might expect. The reservoir is actually connected to one of Toronto's major flood control systems. The G. Ross Lord Dam was built as part of Toronto's flood control system, following the devastating impact of Hurricane Hazel in 1954. Today, it helps manage water flow along the West Don River and reduce the risk of flooding in downstream communities. But over the years, this landscape has become much more than infrastructure. And from here, I'll let the scenery and the music tell the rest of the story.
Slow green breath, a silver path across the park. Oh, the trees lean in like they know my name. Ooh, quiet opens wide under soft sky glass. Every little ripple says stay, stay, stay. Ah, the calm is calling in. Ooh, I'm drifting in. So deep and gentle. Ooh, let the wonder begin.
I hope you enjoyed this peaceful escape to G. Ross Lord Park and discovered a different side of Toronto along the way. If you enjoy cinematic journeys, hidden places, and beautiful destinations across Ontario and Canada, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.